You make it look easy. Where Lonnie? Bonnie. Okay, don't look back. You're good. Watch my babies.
You go like, you turn like, you get it like this.
Lonnie, she a pro at it. Uh-huh. Bonnie said, oh, shoot. I'm going home. All right. Y'all, I said I was going on, but I don't know. My baby looked kind of iffy on here. And then his daughter out here, honey, she looked like she a pro at it. Maybe I should tip one of the staff members to keep an eye on. She probably done this before. She go a lot of places with the band and drama classes, so she probably done it before. Well, anyways, that's my cue to go. It's too hot out here, y'all. They can only go in this little area. Hold on, let me show y'all. And you can kind of see the actual lake is on the other side. So I feel comfortable with that.
Pop it up for me.
Oh shoot, I don't have enough air. Y'all be waiting a long time. Y'all have fun though. Woo, baby, it's hot. I can't.